And because I am the lazy cookster, let's film while lying in bed today. Yes, with a full face of makeup. Yeah, right. You were too lazy to get up, take a bath, and put on some makeup. So, let's get started. No, I can't do it. I can't film lying down. Uh, the phone might fall flat on my face. So I've decided to film like this, the usual. What are we talking about today? We are starting with the Cooking Without Cooking series. So where do we begin? First of all, you need to begin with what are you going to eat? What do you like eating? Before anything else, this is where my being OC comes into play. I'd like things in a specific order, and although it may be boring, I don't care. I want to do this, and I'm going to start today. So let's get started. So did you just move out of your parents' house? Or you just got married and you have your own home and you want to start cooking for yourself? You've come to the right place because I will teach you step by step on how to learn how to cook. First of all, what do you want to eat? What kind of diet are you in? That is where everything will revolve. Okay? Before you buy anything, listen to this first. What are you going to eat? Some people won't even need a stove. Like they're doing the microwave lifestyle. Or they'd like to grill everything. Or they'd like to just, make things simple and use an air fryer or a turbo broiler. So what are you going to eat? What will your menu look like? What is sustainable for you?
What do you want to feed your family?
What do you want to feed yourself?
Are you on a diet?
Are you on a no diet or seafood, like eat whatever you can see? This is where it starts. So depending on that, make a list. What do you like to eat? Fried chicken, tinola, adobo, cake, leche flan. What do you want to eat? Make a list. And then from there, we will find out what you will be needing. Because you might not need a blender. You might not need a food press or food processor. Or you might actually need a juicer. And how much space do you have? How big is your kitchen? What will your kitchen be able to house? Like, will it fit a 5-burner stove? Or it can only fit a single a single burner. So it will really depend on all of those things. You don't need to buy the usual, like what you see in your ancestral home, like a huge kitchen with all of those things. If you don't need it, you don't need to buy it. Are you a coffee person? Are you going to buy that huge espresso maker? Or are you happy with just having a French press? So really, what are you going to eat? And then when you figure that out, come back and then we'll talk about it. So that's all for today. No, just kidding. That's not all we are talking about today. I'm throwing you questions so that you can think about what you want, what kind of food you want for your home, for your family, for yourself. I'm throwing you all these questions. How much time do you really have to cook? How often can you go to the grocery or the wet market? Are you fine with processed food that you'd stock up in your pantry, like all those canned goods with preservatives? Are you fine with that? Are you cooking for 1, cooking for 20? How much is your budget? Can you afford this kind of menu all the time? Or are you under a budget that you'd like to spend only 500 pesos a day? So really, I'm throwing you all of these questions so that you'll know what to look for and what you'd like to hear from me. The next episode will be about appliances. We will talk about all about the appliances that you will be needing depending on your menu. Okay, so before you buy anything, let's go through this. Yes, not just appliances, even the utensils, the pots, the pans. Like I have so many pans that I don't really use. If you watch the Lazy Cookster cooking series, you will see there are 3 pans that are always on top of my stove. Why? Because more often than not, like those are the 3 pans that I really just need. I have a lot. I use them occasionally, like I bring out the pressure cooker every now and then. I bring out the big wok every now and then. But sometimes it already fits in that big pan that I have. So I don't need to bring out that huge wok from storage. And then, what kind of plates are you going to use? What kind of bowls? What kind of knives? All of those things. Do not buy, please. If you're about to get married and you're going to the bridal registry, you need to think about it now so that you can really pinpoint what you need. Yeah, nobody wants those. I don't think anyone gifts punch bowls anymore. But you know what? You will really need to know your menu. That's really all for today because I want you to think about all the things I threw at you. And then I'll see you tomorrow for the next part of the Cooking Without Cooking series. Okay? Bye. This is real now. Okay, bye.